JDCap 26 here, just tips, repairs, and hobbies, and welcome to my channel, boys and girls. And today's discussion is about do's and don'ts on the bread maker. Had a problem yesterday with my bread maker. I put 4 cups of flour in my bread maker, and then I used this yeast right here, which is an active dry yeast, original. This you mix with water, with warm water, and then you put it in. You don't want to use that type of yeast with the red thing. What happened was, I'll show you a picture coming up. Okay, so you saw the bread maker and how messed up it got from the overflow of the yeast and the 4 cups of flour. And I cleaned it for about 4 hours. It was quite a job, wiping it out, scraping it with a butter knife. Don't want to do that. You want to use 3 cups of flour in your recipe, or 3.5 cups maximum, okay, for a full loaf. And also you want to use the blue package of yeast. This is rapid yeast. That's what you use in the bread maker, at least my brand of bread maker. And I'll show you the results of the bread. I did make a bread. We're going to open up and look at it, and the unit still works after all the bread being taken off the element that was cooked on. So you'll see that in the next clip. Let's look at the bread. And yes, indeed, it did work after it was cleaned for an hour, and all the settings work. So I hope these tips help you, and I hope you have a great day. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.